All right, I'm going to show you how this side hustle replaced my job in 180 days. So the first thing I'm going to go over is the wake-up call why I had to make this change. So I had been trying to make money online for over a decade, and almost anything that I touched, I made money with. Like it was Fiverr freelancing, there was Amazon FBA, there was some affiliate marketing in there, there was trying to sell my own products, there was a bunch of different things that I tried, like Etsy and Amazon selling KDP books, and the list goes on and on. Now, I will say that almost every strategy that I picked and tried to make money with, I did make money with, but it wasn't life-changing. It wasn't money that I could actually like fire my boss and quit my corporate job and then actually start doing it full time, right? And so I finally decided at one point, and it was about 6 years ago, 5, 6 years ago, I decided that I was going to go all in on YouTube and make it work. And I was not going to accept failure. I wasn't going to accept no. Because one thing that I finally kind of occurred to me was that in order to make consistent money online, you have to have a traffic source, right? You have to have traffic. You have to have an audience. You have to have people's eyeballs going to either affiliate products that you're promoting, your own products and courses, etc. Right? Like you have to have traffic, and there's only a couple of different ways you can do that, right? You can pay for that traffic. The conversion rate is very low on paid traffic. It's very, very hard. Even if you're a professional paid advertiser, it's still hard to break even with paid advertising. And so there's organic free, traffic, but it's going to take a lot longer. This is what is called organic traffic, right? It's going to take longer to actually start getting steady, viewers on your videos or on your website or whatever the case may be. So if it's a website, it's going to require SEO. It's going to require months and months of work to start getting people to your websites. And we all know that in 2026, websites are even less important. Like it's really hard to get people on your website now because of AI and so forth. There's just less of a need for people to arrive at your website and actually read an article to learn something when people are just turning to ChatGPT and so forth, right? And so I had tried all these different things, and I finally was like, okay, there's all these other people that are successful with YouTube. Why can't I also figure it out and do something with it as well? So I finally decided that, okay, enough's enough. I am going to create my first YouTube channel and actually start creating content. Now, stick with me because I'm going to be showing you what that actually looks like, how bad my videos and content were 6 years ago, and so forth. Okay, so we're going to go and I'm going to show you that. But the next thing I want to go over right now real quick is the simple system that made it happen. There's no ads, there's no face on camera, there's no big audience. Like I had a really small audience. I actually made over $12,000 before I even had 1,000 subscribers. I wasn't even monetized, and I'm going to show you that in just a minute as well. But I can just tell you right now that the simple system was posting videos daily. Just showing up and putting in the work, working about an hour. And what I did was, because I already had a family, I'm married. I have 2 kids at the time. I still have 2 kids. I'm still married, but at the time I still was in that position, right? That a lot of you guys are as well. You want more for your life. You want empowerment, freedom, flexibility. You want to be your own boss. You want to create an online income for yourself. You kind of don't know how to get started. And there's a lot of excuses, and let's just be honest right there, right? Like, and it's pretty easy. There's a lot of reasons that you can come up with that kind of tells you, no, you shouldn't do this. And because you have a family, you work full time, you don't have the time for this, right? And unfortunately, it can't happen for you if you don't put in the work. That's one thing that I have discovered. There's just no magic button that exists. And if there is, leave a comment below. Let me know where that magic button is. But there is no magic button. You do have to do the work, and then you get rewarded for doing that work. So at some point I had to decide, well, if I'm going to be consistent at this, uploading daily videos on YouTube to try to grow an audience and start trying to make real income online, I'm going to have to somehow do this on a daily basis. But how am I going to do that, right? Like my evenings are taken from me a little bit. That goes to my family. And that is first and foremost, that is most important anyways, of what I believe. So what I ended up doing was just before I went to my corporate job and had, purchasing teams reporting to me, I had a lot of responsibility. I actually elected, and I had a pretty early schedule. I think I started work at like 7 or 7:30 in the morning, and I had a 25-minute commute. So I got all the things and all the things that would stop most people. I had also the reasons to just not do this. But I wanted it so bad that I went ahead and I didn't make any excuses, and I went forward with it. And so what I ended up doing was I would get up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and I would record a video and publish it. And that took about an hour of work. And then I would head off to work. I'd get ready for work, and then I would head off, and I would get to work by 7 or something like that. And so I just chose to, okay, I'm going to make sure that I do this as well, because if I don't do it in the morning, there's a chance that I'm going to be tired later on, and that I'm just not going to get to it, and I'm not going to be building my business. Too many times I could see that I would probably not end up getting a video out that day in the evening. But if I got up and it was the first thing that I did before I left the house, then I knew that I was putting out the work that was required to make this happen. So let's move on to the next tip that I have. So the results and the timeline, and this is where I'm going to actually break this down to you, like what actually happened? What did I actually do? Okay. So here's my channel. I'm actually going to go back over here. Now what you're seeing on this channel, it's David Mills, right? But this channel was not David Mills. It was Teach Me Money Methods. And that's actually I still have that domain. And in fact, if you want to go pick up my free guide right now on how to make your first $1,000 online, then go and click the first link below. This is my guide right here to make your first $1,000 online. I've made over $600,000, and this guide tells you exactly how I did that, and it will get you started from scratch how to do that, right? So you just put your name and your email, and then you push this button, and it will be delivered to you immediately in PDF format. Okay. Now you can see Teach Me Money Methods. I still have the domain, but that was the name that I came up with. So this was Teach Me Money Methods a long time ago, 6 years ago. If I go to videos here and I go to oldest videos, I want to look at some of the oldest videos. The first video I ever published on this YouTube channel, right? Let's just go take a look at it. And I want you to notice something. I'm going to rewind right over here. I didn't even know how to edit videos. Okay. Like the first 4 seconds. Now you may not think that that's a lot, but most people in 2026, if 4 seconds go by when someone clicks on a YouTube video and nothing happens, they're just going to click away. So like, I didn't even know what I was doing on editing that out and stuff like that. So pay attention to the first 4 seconds of here, and hopefully this doesn't get cut off in my AI video. It might actually, but just know that when I push play right here, 4 seconds goes by and with blank space, with nothing being said. And that's just a big no-no, but it still worked. I still got views. I still, lived to tell the tale today. And let's go push play real quick.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. My name is David Mills. I've been working online for 10 years. I have a lot of experience. In this video, I want to go over.
So it's just not the best video. It's not the best intro. I wasn't on camera, and you can see over here, I just put a picture of myself. I kind of didn't know what I was doing, but I got started and I did it anyways, right? I did, I think, a little bit of screen recording right here.
I dabbled in it, but
yeah, you can see right here, I did some screen recording right here. I kind of had some slides to keep organized, and then I would come in here. It's a little bit like what I'm doing right now, but I think I'm a lot better at it right now. But you can come over here and see, I was just showing like proof of income. Hey, I made $1,000 with Udemy and stuff like that. So just kind of went through here, finished up with slides right there as well, right? So that's kind of how my videos went in the beginning. But you can see I just continued to push on, and I just continued to publish content, boom, boom, boom. And then some kind of popped off when we came down over here. You can see that like the Amazon KDP publishing space, right? Like Amazon Kindle Direct publishing books, low content, coloring books, things like that on KDP 6 years ago was on fire. It's still a thing. There's still a lot of channels out there that do this and stuff, but it's a lot harder now. You can't publish 30 books a day or 100 books a day. You can't do automation anymore and all that. Amazon has completely cracked down on, the way that they grade books and rate books and their filtering system and so forth. So if you get into it now, there's still a niche. And there's even a niche to create content and be an educator on the topic, but it's going to be a lot different than it was 6 years ago. You can see, you start noticing like patterns. When I talk about low content, I get over 1,000 views on my videos, right? And you start doing that, you kind of go down that. And then we had a video right over here, 24,000 views on PLR, right? So PLR, I noticed like, whoa, that's a really big topic, right? How can I do something to maybe make some money off of PLR? Because I was knowledgeable about that as well. Before I forget, I want to let you know that my channel, I removed like 300 plus videos from the channel as well. So there would be well over 1,000 videos on this channel, but I did remove most of those coloring book type videos because I don't want people to continue coming in and subscribing to my current channel where I talk about how to make money with YouTube and affiliate marketing, as opposed to teaching you how to create coloring books, if that makes sense, right? So I remove those so people are not subscribing to me for the wrong reasons. So that's why I got rid of a lot of the content on here. But I'm glad I kept a lot of these videos over here so I can come back. It serves as a record of what I actually did, what my online journey was about. And I wasn't on camera on any of these videos. They're all faceless videos, right? So you don't have to be on camera and you can make a lot of really good money. So I want to show you the results. I want to come in here and show you that I created a course, and I'm going to go over here, and it's called PLR Profits Academy, and it made me over $12,000. And this was, you can just see right here, this was a long time ago. This was in 2020. Look at this, 2020. That's where I made all the sales for this, right? So that was 6 years ago that I made all this money from this course. And I only had about 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. It wasn't monetized or anything like that. I mean, it's not even close to being considered a big channel. Doesn't even have 1,000 subscribers. And I was able to make $12,000 right there. So really, really, really good results. And that was the power. And you can see right over here, this just proves that it was YouTube that brought in all that income. The email marketing, my entire email list would have came from YouTube. So there's about $9,000 worth, right? So you can see that 95% of the income that came into that course and purchased it was actually from YouTube. So that was one of the best decisions that I made, was getting into YouTube as my main audience and my main traffic source, right? So here's the course that's still alive today. It's selling for $67. PLR Profits Academy right over here. 24 ratings, 4.6 star rating right here. Super simple, not even a video, no sales video, nothing like that. Made $12,000 on it. Okay, so that is the power of YouTube, and I'm so glad that I picked YouTube as my traffic source. And here I am, like this channel right here isn't even my biggest channel. I moved on to another channel. I've got over 20,000 subscribers. I really went deep into software reviews, and that is just a really great market because every review that you do, you can put a link as an affiliate link. And people that get value from your videos, they click on that link and then they go and purchase the software. And then you get reoccurring revenue, reoccurring commissions for as long as they stay subscribed to that. So that is kind of my journey, like how I decided, okay, enough's enough. I've got to pick something and stick with it long enough to actually see results. And then while only having 500 subscribers, I was only about 90 to 100 days in. I created a course, sold it for over $12,000, and it's a very, very simple system. I think you can agree that creating videos like this, they're high value, but they're not high production value by any way. I mean, look at my thumbnails. I didn't even know what the heck I was doing when it came to even thumbnails. These are ugly thumbnails, but it flat out worked. Okay. And so here we are today making over $600,000 doing this. I think that we can safely say that it actually worked. Okay. So the last thing I want to end with is, hey, grab my free guide again, right over here. Grab my Make Your First 1,000 in Affiliate Marketing. Even if you're starting from scratch, this will get you started and really tell you how to get started, what the starter toolkit is that you need, what tools you actually need to get started, how you can actually go out there and start building a real business online that pays you daily. And, like I said, if If there's a magic button out there, let me know in the comments where you found the magic button, because from my experience and trying to make money online for 15 years and finally cracking the code 6 years ago, I still never found a magic button that I could push or a magic pill that I could take that actually did this for you. You are going to have to make a decision. You are going to have to take action, but it can be one of the most rewarding things that you'll ever experience in your life if you actually decide to do it. So go pick my free guide up below as in the first link. Leave a comment below what your major pain point is, what you're struggling with, and what you'd like me to make more content about, so I can help you become the best that you can be and start building that business online finally. So thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.